I visited the underground city on my road trip, and today I'm giving you all the details about the incredible Salina Turda in Romania. The same place featured in MrBeast's video. Trust me, this place is mind-blowing. Let's dive right in. Hey, I'm Tread. Here's how it all started. My brother and I kicked off our adventure by flying into Bucharest and renting a car for our road trip. Driving through the Carpathian Mountains was like something out of a movie. You've got wild bears casually walking around, stunning views, the whole deal. And after soaking in all that scenery, we finally made it to our main destination, Salina Turda. As soon as we arrived, we parked near the entrance. Parking's only 5 lei, which is about €1 per hour. So not too bad. Entrance tickets were 50 lei or €10. One thing to keep in mind, you can only pay in local currency, so make sure you've got a credit card or some lei on you. Once we had that sorted, we were ready to step into a whole different world beneath the ground. Exploring the Underground Amusement Park. I was not prepared for what I saw inside. It's this massive underground amusement park, and get this, it's 120 meters below the surface. There are lights everywhere, and in the middle of it all, a giant Ferris wheel. You can even play golf, bowling, table tennis for 20 lei or €4. And there's more to do, like playing pool or going onto an amphitheater. As we kept exploring, we came across a lake, and you can actually rent boats down there. Obviously, we had to do it. It cost us 30 lei or about €6 for a 20-minute boat ride. We had an absolute blast pedaling around in a boat underground. Unforgettable memories. Visiting Salina Turda was hands down one of the most unforgettable moments of our entire trip. The whole idea of an amusement park that far underground still blows my mind. It's hard to believe something like this even exists until you're actually there. I can't recommend this place enough. It's an experience that sticks with you. The feeling when you first step inside is unreal. I mean, who knew you could build something like this incredible under the ground? But Romania has even more to offer. Beautiful nature with mud volcanoes and Dracula. If you want to hear more about it, write it in the comments. So that's a story of how I visited the underground city on my road trip. If you enjoyed this adventure and you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more epic travel stories. Have any of you been to a place underground or something that surprised you? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.
And happy Halloween.